Japanese automaker Honda has released the new generation 2022 Honda BR-V 3-row SUV in Indonesia. The vehicle looks largely identical to the Honda N7X concept, which was showcased a few months ago. The majority of the design elements are retained, however, it gets new fog lamp housing and toned down bumpers and grille design. In the new generation rendition, the 7-seat SUV looks appealing. It now features an upright nose with wide radiator grille and a clamshell bonnet. All of it gives a muscular appeal to the 2022 Honda BR-V. Around the sides, the profile looks clean and elegant. The window line drops down towards the rear and the black cladding runs across its length. The window line drops down towards the rear and the black cladding runs across its length. It rides on a set of 16-inch multi-spoke alloy wheels. The rear face comprises a clean-looking boot lid, wraparound LED tail lamps, roof-mounted spoiler, and a low-loading bay. On the inside, the new Honda BR-V comes with a new cabin layout packed with a host of features, tech, and other equipments. This includes a 7-inch touchscreen infotainment system with Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, a 4.2-inch TFT display in the instrument cluster, engine start-stop switch, remote lock-unlock function, and a host of other driver assist technology. The 2022 Honda BR-V 7-seater SUV is powered by a 1.5-litre DOHC iVTEC petrol engine that is capable of producing 121 PS at 6,600 RPM and a peak torque of 145 Nm at 4,300 RPM. It is paired to a CVT automatic gearbox. This engine is compatible with Euro 4 emission standards. The car will be offered with 5 color choices including crystal black pearl, lunar silver metallic, modern steel metallic, premium opal white pearl new, and taffeta white in Indonesia. The new SUV will be offered in 4 variants: S, E, Prestige and Prestige with Honda Sensing.